What's the meaning of bidet? Bidet. Bidet.
Bidet. Bidet. A bidet is a bathroom fixture designed for personal hygiene, particularly after using the toilet. It typically consists of a small, low basin with a spray nozzle that directs a jet of water upward onto the area being cleaned. Bidets are most commonly found in Europe and Asia, where they are considered an essential part of personal hygiene. In addition to their hygienic benefits, bidets can also be environmentally friendly, as they reduce the need for toilet paper. Some modern bidets also offer additional features such as heated seats, air drying, and even massage functions. Overall, bidets offer a more thorough and gentle alternative to traditional methods of cleaning oneself after using the toilet.